Okay, so our first question for David is, what are the most common real estate legal issues you see in today's market between buyers and sellers?
The biggest one I see, and I don't even know that it's any different recently than in general, is that people don't read their contracts. There's a few issues that go on where, like, I get a call at least once or twice a week of someone who says, well, I just signed the contract, so I don't think I'm bound by it because I didn't know that was in there. And that doesn't really work. You need to read your contracts and know what's in the contract. And if you don't, then you need to see an attorney or deal with someone like you who is an experienced broker that's actually going to lead you to some of those places where you might not know what's going on.
Yeah, and I agree with you on that because I think with the era of DocuSign, I think a lot of people just click. And really, before you write a contract, you're talking to your agent about the contract and what the terms are going to be. So when you do go to click on the DocuSign, you should know what you're clicking on. But if you didn't have a conversation and then all of a sudden you're getting a DocuSign, I can see how consumers are getting a little bit confused on what they're signing if they're not having a discussion before that DocuSign comes into your email. So
Absolutely.
that makes sense that, people are just not reading or understanding what they're signing in today's market.